Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A6 Pro 5G, and I'm gonna show you how to change the icons and the themes on this phone. So to change the icons and the themes on this phone, first we need to open the settings. So open the menu, tap on the settings icon. In settings, find the option called Wallpaper and Style and tap on it. And here we have themes and the icons right here below. First, let's go to themes. To change the themes, you can simply scroll through the list right here and find the one you like and then tap on apply. And the theme will be applied on your phone. So if you go to wallpaper now, it should change, as you can see. And this is the pre-existing basically list of the themes, and you can tap on it or check it by tapping on my themes. And here we have the themes already pre-existing on our phone. And you can change between them by scrolling through the list, finding the one you like, tapping on apply. But you can also tap on more themes. And here we have some, I would say, templates, and we can tap on cover or discard it for now. We have classic, so you can create your own theme basically, and you can change the wallpaper. You can change the depth, whatever that means. I think it means we can zoom in, zoom out. Yeah. Okay. We can go to the other page because we have two pages. Here you can also change the clock. So if you want to, you can adjust it to your liking. Okay. Then you can go to the next page, and here we can change the color. So you can apply different color if you want to. You can use the same wallpaper as here. You can change the wallpaper as well on this page, so you can have different wallpaper on the home screen than on the lock screen. You can also change the system colors, so you can change how the icon will be basically displayed. Okay. And once you're done, you can tap on apply, and your theme should be applied. So if we go to the home screen, the wallpaper is here, and if you lock the screen, it should look like, come on, like this. Okay. And to change the icons, you go to settings, wallpaper and style, find the icon, or icons rather, and here we have more settings, and we can select the pre-existing packs, I would call them, and you can adjust some settings for them, as you can see. And then you can tap on apply, and the icons will be changed. You can also open a menu for the wallpapers and icons by pressing and holding on the current home screen. And then you have wallpapers and icons, and here you can change them if you want to. You won't be able to change the themes. And to do that, you need to go to settings. Okay. And that's how you change the icons and themes on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.